Hey Scrap fam, this is Trish and welcome to my channel. I am coming to you today. Today is a Tuesday. I usually try and get these things up on Sunday or Monday, but I will not be scrapbooking this weekend because I have high school graduation to attend. So it's going to be a busy weekend. So I was trying to get as much stuff done as I could during the week, this past weekend, yesterday and today. So here we go. This is my setup for in my scrap planner for June. And yep, so this is it. I am trying to still fix. Yeah, that's a little better. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. So this is my setup for in my scrap planner for June. And this is my currently page in my scrap planner. Okay, I'm playing with the size. Alright, so that's that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, and this is the other one I worked on. And then this is week in May, week 22nd through the 28th. And this is my layout for that. And for my scrap planner, I use Scrapcraftastic's challenges for the year for 2023. And for this week, it was grad. Yeah, for this week, it was grad. So, of course, that's what I use. I have two nieces graduating this year, so this was like perfect for this week. Yeah, I really like the way the spread came out. And let me do this one more up and close because it's shadowy over here. So that's that. And this is this. Yeah, let me do it this way. I think you'll, yeah. And then this is the currently. And usually I just use this to put all of the things that I want to do in terms of scrapbooking for the month. Alright, and again, this is the setup for the month of June. Yeah, I think you can see this a little clearer. I just use this plan is mainly just used for me just playing with stickers, really. I put like Father's Day, my nephew's birthday, my niece's birthday. She's actually one of the ones that's graduating, so her birthday and she's graduating. So I do that, put holidays in there, but mainly it's just using it to play with stickers and to decorate. So that's that. I didn't do anything in my tracker planner this week because I knew I wasn't going to be around to really do it. So I was like, I'm not going to even bother with decorating it. So I probably won't do it for 2 weeks and then I'll get back into it. Alright, so this is my faith journal. And this is my setup for the month of June. And the girls are printables, and I've used them for like maybe probably 2 years now. And that's what I like about printables. You can always use them again. And then this is the last week of May, first week of June. I really like these stickers. And I got these off of Etsy. And then this is the week of June the 5th through the 11th. And this one and the last one are from the same Etsy shop. I wish I had the name. I do not have the name. And then this is June the 12th through the 18th. And this is actually from Paper House. I ordered it off of Etsy. It came in a box of paper, stickers, die cuts. So I guess you can go on Paper House if you're interested. Or they have similar designs on Etsy. And this is June the 19th through the 25th. And I've used this before. And this is from Etsy too. And this is, what's the Etsy shop? Beautiful Good News. Yeah, Beautiful Good News. And again, the cool thing about having printables is that you can use them again. And you know, you can use them in a different way. And then, last but not least, is June 26th to July the 2nd. And this is a mixture of Illustrated Faith and Print, Pray, Slay. And they're both online. And that is the setup for my faith planner for the month of June. So I'm a little behind in my planners, but that's okay. It's always time to catch up. Alright, so here we go. Just bring this down just a tad. I made a couple of cards. Made a couple of cards. So here we go. Like I said, I have some nieces graduating. So here's one of the cards. Here's another card. This is a Father's Day card. Another graduation card. I had to make two for Jordan and two for Soraya. Another graduation card. Had a lot of graduates this year. This one is graduating out of junior high and going into high school. All the rest of them are high school going to college. Okay, and then here's a Father's Day card. And last but not least, another graduation card. So that is it for all I worked on this weekend, this week. It will not be, I will not have a weekend of crafting next weekend, so I won't have a video for next week. So yeah, so thank you so much for checking me out, and if you want to see more of my projects that I'm doing, because I've actually printed out some things for listing. I just haven't got around to making. Like I did my I do listing with Lil by Mail. I didn't do my I printed it out. I have all the stuff. I just need to make the page. Um, my in the news for April, and now I have to do in the news and about last month, May. So I have to do May. I have some other things, listings that she has suggested, and I think it was places you want to go see or something like that, or a vacation wish list or something like that. I already printed out the stuff. I just need to again make the pages. So a lot of stuff for me to do. Just need to sit down and do it. So yes. So hopefully I can get those done, and I'll be showing you guys that next time I upload a video. Again, thank you for stopping by my channel, checking out my work. I really appreciate everyone who looks at my video, who views my video, who hit the like, people who are subscribing. Thank you again. Hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Again, happy scrapping. Be blessed. And until the next time, see you later. Bye for now.